Guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can tell by the title of this video, it's going to be over the aftercare of a nose piercing. Your girl really did go get her nose pierced a week ago or 2 weeks ago, whatever, and my nose pierce is healing just fine and just great, lovely. So yeah, I'm going to share with you guys what I've been doing and what I do not do, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so basically whenever you do go get your nose pierced, the piercer will give you a list of things to do and what not to do, what to use and what to stay away from. I did take that into consideration, but I also did go on Google and do a little research myself. So what I've been doing is I have been cleansing my hands. Obviously, before I do touch it and before I do clean it, I do clean my piercing twice a day. For a cleanser, I use this product right here. This Hibiclens, whatever, antiseptic, antimicrobial skin cleanser. Looks like this. I did pick it up from my local Target. It was pretty expensive. It was about $10, but you get 8 fluid ounces, and a little of this definitely does go a long way. So I've been using this twice a day. All I do is just let running warm water hit the piercing and get all that crust off if there is any, and then I will take a Q-tip, apply the cleanser, run it around there, and go the inside as well. And then when I'm done, take it like that. Well, basically hold the piercing underwater so it can rinse out. So that's basically what I've been doing there. For as other cleansers, I've seen people use dial soap. A lot of piercers, they tell you not to use dial soap, but I don't see, honestly, what's the problem. Some people tell you to use it, some people don't. I say try it, and if it doesn't work, then don't. But yeah, I've used dial soap for my belly button piercing back when I had that, so it didn't do any harm. But anywho, you can use that. You can use a saline solution, like wound solution. You can pick that up from Target. I'll insert a picture if I can find one. Another option would be the sea salts or either non-iodized salt rinse, basically. So you mix that up and then let it sit on the piercing for about a few minutes, and then rinse, and then you'll repeat later on in the day. Okay, and then with the piercing, you definitely want to leave it alone. I'm the type of person, when I do get a piercing, I like to meddle with it. So it was pretty hard for me because, you know, I kind of wanted to stay up on the surface, but I haven't really had any issues. So basically, you want to leave it alone. I'm going to make sure that you do not spin it and rotate it. I did hear that it is okay if you're, like, if you have like a hoop, if it does tend to come out since they are loose, you can push it back in, but that's pretty much it. You don't want to change your earring because you want it to clearly heal. Changing your ring early can easily cause infections and cause it to not fully heal. So do not change the ring, y'all. I really want to change it into a hoop, but I'm going to settle for this for the next 3 months until it's fully healed. So basically, I did see a few people in the comments or a few videos here on YouTube where people had applied like Neosporin and things like that. And that is definitely a no-no from what I read and did my research. It's just something that it can cause infections because it's too harsh and it can clog the piercing hole. So you definitely want to stay away from things like that, witch hazel, alcohol, hydrogen peroxide, and things like that. So just stick to cleansing it. If it ever does come infected, then definitely go see your doctor and your piercer and let them figure it out, and, you know, let your doctor prescribe you any medications and things like that. But yeah, guys, this is pretty much week 2 or 3. I really can't remember, but yeah, she is doing very well. I definitely cannot complain. I haven't experienced any keloids or any bumps or any more bleeding. I was pretty swollen for like the first 3 days, but after that it definitely went down, and I actually forget that it's there because it doesn't hurt whatsoever. The pain tolerance for the actual procedure or whatever, it did not hurt at all. It was literally over within 2 seconds, if that. So if you are nervous about getting it done, I say go for it, because I kept putting this off for months and months at a time, and I got it done. I was like, really? But I highly recommend this. I absolutely love it. And if you are thinking about it, good luck. And make sure that you guys' piercer is experienced. That's another thing. Just don't go to anybody. Make sure they're experienced. And yeah, guys, that is basically it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.